Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review is a Milwaukee Packout product. It's part number 48228063. It is their two-piece large bin set. Now these were the new bins that they came out with. It works with the wall plates, and I don't have any of those, so these are the new wall plates that you can put in your garage. They've got hooks for things, other things that you can put, drill holsters, all those things. I don't have any of that, but I don't have any of those products at all. And I had just assumed that these bins were basically the same bins that you get in your Packout, except for they've got these little tabs on the back side that allow you to hang it onto that wall plate if you wanted to use it. So I was under the impression that whenever you was going to buy these, you're really essentially just going to be getting these if you don't have those wall plates. It's not going to serve you any other purpose. Well, these are on sale right now at Home Depot. $10 for the 2-pack. They're normally $15, but I did see on that package, you know, I saw a little line on the inside, which made me open it while I was there to check it out. And it's actually more than just a regular bin. It's actually got a tray inside at the top that's got two longer slots. That's the whole size of the tray. But then you pull that out and you get a 4 slotted with dividers that are removable, so you can make one a little bit bigger, a couple smaller ones, whatever you want to do with that. And the super nice thing is this tray, when you put it in there, it nestles against that. So in this one right here, I put in some wire nuts, 3 different Wagos and things like that. And you know, if I put this tray in and then I had this in the Packout with the lid shut to where that nested in there and held it in place, even if you go on some crazy, you know, off-road expedition, you know, they all stay in the same exact slots. You know, all your 3s and 5s and 2s, my wire nuts, they all stayed in the same spot. So I think that's pretty nice. Again, you're getting 2 of them for $10. Normally they're 15 bucks. And again, they will work. You could fill up a whole entire Packout with these big ones. The big ones are nice. Now you can't take these small ones and move them in the middle, because then your door won't shut because of this right here. It's a solid piece. But you can put the big ones in the entire Packout. So I could see, if you wanted to build you a pure fasteners Packout, you could store long ones in this, small ones in these, and just double your storage inside of one of these. It would be super nice. And again, they'll work in the regular size Packouts that are the regular depth, and then you could do it in the single ones or the double ones like this one. But I also checked, because I've got a lot of these regular organizers, and the double bins are pretty much the same on these as it is in the Packout. In fact, even these have some tabs already on them, although they're not going to work with that wall plate on the Packout system. These are actually a little bit different, even because they sit in there. But you can take one of these, it's the same exact size, swap it out, and it still nests inside of there and will seal that off. So they'll still work on the old organizers if you've got a lot of those, but they definitely work with the Packouts, which is what it pretty much says on the package there. So I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you were like me. I pretty much thought all the extra little bins they had were just some of these that would hang on those wall plates, and I didn't really need any whole ones. But you know, if you go buy some 3D printed trays and stuff like that, those get pretty expensive. So $5 a piece for these, not a bad price. Just letting you know that they're out there. You guys let me know in the comments below if you've been using these, or maybe I'm missing out on some other new Packout product because I thought that they were just for the wall plates, and I don't have any of those, so I haven't really looked into them that much. Maybe there's some of them that would work well in my Packouts and things like that. Let me know in the comments below if you've been using something else. But hope this was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.